Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Are you one of those young minds who are trying to escape the matrix? Are you consciously having the urges to earn money but don't know how, where to start it? So, I want to welcome you guys for the initiation process trying to get into the 1% club. Before we begin, I wanted to let you know, guys, that this is a no BS guide. So, no dropshipping, no SMMA, or the other affiliate marketing craps and thing. This is gonna be a very straight approach and a very practical video. So let's begin the video. The first business model we have is YouTube automation. So let me explain this whole model in a very nutshell way. So basically, you create a YouTube channel in a particular niche, then you upload it to the YouTube and you make revenue out of these ads like Google AdSense. You get paid through that. So the first question in your mind would be, how do you pick a niche? Well, I would say it should be something you're familiar with and passionate about. For instance, if you love anime, you could create a channel that provides news and updates from different anime series. Or if you like psychology and you like to use on other human beings, you have the good sense about it, you could make a factual video, 10 psychological facts of certain personality types, or 10 psychologically fact that someone likes you. Those kind of videos get a very large audience and subscribers. The next question would be, how do you create thumbnails or video editing or writing scripts? So let's begin with the scripts. You could write script basically using ChatGPT. With the rising artificial intelligence, it has never been so easy. For the thumbnails, I would suggest you to use Canva. I personally use Canva. This is not a sponsored video at all. Canva do have a paid version, but there are many free templates also available. You could just find it in the website. I would say God has given you a creative mind. Put it into the work. So, what are the skills required to start this entrepreneurship? One would be video editing, and second would be voiceover. That's all you need to learn to get started with this business. And if you guys need like more detailed way how to use ChatGPT, how to put the best prompt to get the best results, do let me know in the comments. I will make a separate video about YouTube automation and how it works. The second business model, what I like to call, is the mediator model. So let's talk about the businesses like Expedia or Oyo Rooms. They don't personally own any flights or hotels, yet they are a multi-million-dollar businesses. All they simply do is connect people. And we are going to do the same thing, but with a twist. You become the intermediary connecting clients with professionals who can fulfill their needs. The best part, you don't need to perform any services by yourself. You match the right people and get paid for it. For instance, if a company needs a certain service and they are ready to pay $1,000, you can outsource the job to a freelancer for $500 and earning $500 for yourself with little to literally no work. If you acquire just one client per month with, let's say, $2,000 per month, you could be already earning around $1,000 in the next 6 months. Don't you think you could at least sign up one client a month? I believe you can. It just takes time. It may take 1 to 3 months for your first client, but once you get the flow, you just keep going. It's a simple and yet a very, very profitable concept. So on the list, we got freelancing. So the concept of freelancing is basically that you start learning a skill and you get better and better in that skill. This could be, let's say, coding, animation, data analysis, or to be specific, or in any other in-demand fields. After learning that skill, you go to freelancing websites like fiverr.com and list yourself the skill you learned. By having your expertise, you can offer your services to clients around the world sitting at the comfort of your home, working remotely. So learning these skills, not only you're gonna make money through freelancing, but you could attract big corporations who are willing to pay substantial amounts for your skills. For instance, with coding, you could be a, let's say, algorithmic developer. So let's take the example of company Meta, who has the Instagram. So they focus on making the algorithms as addictive as possible for humans. And if you could help the businesses fulfill their requirement. An average programmer in the Meta earns around 150K per year, and that's I'm talking about average. This could go till 500K, 600K. Oh, let's go into the movie industry. VFX and animation play a crucial role in any of the modern movies you see right now. Blockbusters like Avenger Endgame had a whooping budget of 500 million, with roughly 50% allocated to VFX and animation. With your exceptional skill, you could be part of such product. These are obviously a very long-term goals, but all I want you guys to know that these things have high potential. And the best part about these things is you don't need to go to a college to a 4-year degree to get expertise in this field. You could literally give, let's say, 1 to 2 year work for it, have acquired that skill by yourself, and after that you could literally start earning money. That's the best part about these skills if you learn right now. I have reached to the fourth one of our list, and fourth one is my personal favorite, trading. So out of all mentioned, all methods, I would say trading is the most riskiest as well as the most rewarding career you can choose. You may ask, why? Let me explain that to you. With right skill set, you can easily make 5 to 20% per month, let's say. Many firms in the industry offer their own capital money for you to trade with it and make profit out of it. So there's, like, let's say there's a company called My Forex Fund. If you have the skill set, you have mastered the trading, the highest model, which gets you the capital of 600K. Let's say you just make a 5% per month, 5%, that's it. You would be earning 30K a month. 30K. That's insane. 30K. It's more than your teacher's salary, bro. And there's an offer. If you get better and better with the skill, you could get 1 million as a funding. 1 million. Imagine that, 1 million as funding. But obviously, you need to have the skill set. You can't go in there with a gambler's mindset. You have to go in as you are prepared to go for that. You need to have the skill set. This is not like a get rich scheme or anything. Everything requires hard work and patience and dedication. Personally speaking, I myself am a trader. Just last weekend, I made around $3,000 by trading in the forex markets. If you guys need a detailed how to be a trader, how to be good at that, I could make a dedicated video about the topic, but most important, do let me know in the comments. Or any of these industries or business models you need more detailed about it, let me know. I would give my best to make a better output of it. So we are at the fifth one. So the last one is not a specific role, but rather a vital piece of advice for beginners. These things won't work until you start working upon it. It's either gonna be one day or it's gonna be day one. The choice is yours. Don't wait for success to come to you. Take action and work towards your goals. Nobody is going to come to save you. It's always going to be you versus you. So if you guys found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. And if you would like to learn anything, any model in depth, do let me know. Most important part, do let us know your improvement in your daily lives and your financial freedom way in the comments. Once you make Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll catch you up in the next one.